Hello boys and girls, today's magical colors. Let's draw some. Hen, rooster and chicken. So to draw hen and rooster and chicken, what do we need? We need some colors, paper, pencil and paint or watercolor or markers, crayons, whatever you have. Okay, I'm going to use today watercolors and some markers as well. To draw a hen, you just need to make like a small, look like a candy cane, curve and go back round. Okay, and in the end you make some feathers that goes in like this, and then we need to make a small beak, then make like this. Some eyes. Okay, now let's make some eggs. Hen lays eggs. Hens are the mommy chickens. Okay, so let's make one egg where the baby chicken is coming out. Let's put this baby chicken here. They have a small beak and the feathers all here. As they grow, they're mostly yellowish white in color. Okay. Hens are female and roosters are male. So to find out how this is hen or rooster, rooster has a curve. Let's make the rooster first. Little longer neck and then go down, make a little more longer and curve, go round for the body like we always do. Make a U shape and make a one more longer U shape this time. Make like a few petals of the flower, like a flower inside the head, and this is the eyes, and they have crown the top, and their beaks are connected like this, curve and come back in, and they have some teardrops, googles here. Okay, and then let's put some eyes, and they have some fur, starts from here and they go down like this. Roosters do not lay eggs, only chicken gives the eggs. Okay, the rooster has a curve round that indicates that they are rooster because they have these kinds of feather that they go all the way curve and down. So chicken hatches the egg. Now let's make some baby chickens here. And they are very cute and tiny little baby chickens. And they like to eat nuts. And they like to eat some small grains, some insects, worms, sunflower seeds, plants. They eat all those little things. Okay, let's put some seeds for the baby, and let's put some seeds for the mama and papa roosters. Okay, here, and let's draw some more here. There are different colors and different kinds of hen and chicken and rooster. They are almost similar to the turkey as well. Turkey has a big feathers like rooster. They are on the top. Rooster's feathers goes down. Rooster always wakes up in the early morning, and what does rooster say? Rooster say cook-a-doodle-doo, cook-a-doodle-doo in the morning and wake everybody up. Okay. So we can put some for the feathers. We can put like a wee everywhere to show that they have a lot of feathers here. Or you like to eat vegetables? And I like to eat vegetables too. So make some feathers and color them. Whatever color you have, you can color, paint, draw, marker, crayons. Just enjoy the time and have a lot of fun. So let's do some coloring with our watercolor. So to do the color with the watercolor, you need to apply generous amount of water. If your paper is thin, then your water will buckle up the paper, and it might be okay not to rub too much when you are using watercolor and your paper is thin. Okay, so let's put some sky here in just water first. I have a little brush that has a lot of water here. I'm going to apply water everywhere, and then you can see how I am doing, and then just spread some color. See how nice it is coming. And if you have like a lot of blue color, a lot of color that is going here and there, and later you can apply some salt on the top of it. Salt gives a lot of texture, and to see the different texture in the sky, like for the clouds and all, it looks really cool. I'm going to show you how to add some salt when you have a lot of water, but be careful. See, my paper is already buckling up because I don't have watercolor paper. I am doing on just regular printing paper, and I'm going to apply some more colors here. Let it bleed, and I like when there is a lot of color flowing here and there. Then we can add some salt. As you add the salt, you will see the salt will absorb more the water and paint, and it will give like this beautiful texture. Do you see this texture? It came from the salt with watercolor. Okay, so now let's color. I'm going to fast forward, and then you can see.